guess who just got her first paycheck? Me. Hi guys, sorry about the face marks. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another vlog. Yay! If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you're an OG, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't want to remove my mask because I'm a bit cold. But yeah, you know how I look like, so I'm a bit cold. Okay, so on today's video, I'll be taking you guys along with me to the grocery store. Then from the grocery store, that's Walmart, I want to go and buy my weekly groceries because my class is starting next week, and then I also have work, so I don't really have time during the week. So I'm going to the grocery store, Walmart. Then I'm also going to work. I'm also going to come buy food. I've not eaten today. Today's Sunday, I think 22nd, and my first week in Canada vlog is finally up. Finally. So come along with me. I'm also going to buy food from Thai Express, now Walmart. So stay tuned while I take you guys along with me on my day. Yeah, come along with me. This sun, you guys, my skin is breaking in this country. I don't want to show you guys because I don't know, but it's just a lot. But do you guys know what it is to not have a glove in this country? It's very bad. I swear to God. Like, I can't even feel my hand. Like, my hand is pinning me. Like, oh, I'm done. Bye bye. See you when I'm in the bus.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
You guys, I've been walking around the mall. Jesus, I'm angry. That's story for another day. But yeah, I'm finally at Walmart, and this is not even funny. I'm frustrated, very frustrated. But yeah.
What you wanna say to me now? I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's hella fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a home.
My skin is drying, I don't know why. But yeah, today is 27. I don't know the date sharp, but my class is starting today. My first class is by 12, and my first class is by 12 a.m. And I also I'm about to order my laptop this afternoon. Yeah, my first class is by 12. I'll be using my phone to join my class. I'm trying to take out the trash. Yeah, the weather is really cold. It's really, really cold. But yeah, I want to take out the trash. My phone has gotten stuck by. So yeah, I'm done taking out the trash. Check. And I also need to do my laundry this morning because I have time today before my class by 12. I need to do my laundry. Then I also need to eat. Then my class starts. Then I have work by 5 to 9. But yeah, come along with me. doing? Today is Tuesday and my classes have started. Yeah, this is better. I don't want to remove the mask because I'm really cold. My class has started and I have work too. So my job is just directly at the back of my house, so I don't need to take the bus or something. But today I have to go and drop off my phone at UPS because I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So I did Apple trading, so I'm supposed to ship my 11 Pro Max back to Apple since I've gotten a new phone and I'm done with the other one. Benefits of Average. See the way I'm just shipping my phone. If I was in Nigeria now, I'd be looking for how to sell it, but here, just with Apple trading, and Apple will value your phone and whatever they value it for, you just put the balance. So yeah, I'm on my way to UPS. And today was so good at work. I mean, it was really stressful, yeah, but I got so much tips. I got like $10 off tips. I'm going to use it to treat myself. I have class by 6 here, so I have to be fast. I'm just waiting for the bus. Freezing out here, but you guys, let's try it. I'll give you guys the review when I'm done. Wait, let me try it. Let me put it up in the microwave and I'll give you guys this. Thanks. You guys, it's not cutting. It's not giving. Let's try some. See how some? It's nice. Not that bad. Yeah, try it with this. Doesn't taste nice just like that. Guys, chilling in minus 30 degrees. I don't know, it's minus 30 shabo. You really could see it's like freezing. So on my way back from Canada Post, I ordered a laptop from Best Buy. I don't understand, but yeah, long story, but I've gone to pick it up and I'm freezing. Finally I've ordered my gloves so I can continue vlogging. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys how my day. So my classes have started here, but then I'm using my phone, so I'm really glad that finally I'll get to use my laptop. And I have assignment due February 3rd. Today is like 27th, yep. But I mean, I'm really glad that finally my laptop is here. So you guys, hope you're having a good day. Hope your day is going. Alright, bye. I'm talking off point already. I'm freezing.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and
Hi guys,
me.
guess who just got her first paycheck? Me. I'm so excited because what am I going to treat myself with? Yeah, I just got my first paycheck and I'm so happy because, like, you know, like all that working, all that stress, you know. But you know, I'm a material girl because I'm ready to buy rubbish for you. I just got my first paycheck. So let me tell you guys how it works here. So you usually pay after every 2 weeks because you usually pay after every 2 weeks. So I've worked for 2 weeks. So yeah, I get paid for 2 weeks each. I'm not going to tell you guys the amount so that people know, you know, just for security reasons and personal reasons. But I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm very excited. You guys, I got my first paycheck today and I already told you guys about it. So I'm really happy about that because all that stress was not in vain. So yeah, I just got back to my Amazon order here, and I was shopping on Instacart. So I didn't show you guys, but now like I don't want to be going to go and buy my groceries, so I just use Instacart. And then you just subscribe every month, and then it's like $11 here. But if you are going to pay delivery fee every time you shop, it's going to be like you're paying $60. When you are just using Instacart to shop from Walmart, they will deliver it to you, and then you're just paying $11. So when you shop every week, you're not paying extra. I don't know if you get me, but yeah, I'm just saying that. So, let me show you guys what I got. I have this one. Gloves, you guys, this cold, so I can be vlogging on outside. Like when I'm outside, the cold is not your mate. But yeah, so I can be vlogging outside. It's not thick, oh. It's not thick. I think I'm going to return this glove. It's not thick at all, you guys. It's not thick. I'm going to return it. Let me show you the second one. Wow, it's really small, yeah. That was big. That would be big. I don't know why it's small, but yeah. Alright, bye.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Something's hella fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
Hi guys, welcome back. So today is what's today's date? Today's date is I don't know. I think like 4th or 5th, yeah. So today, because the weather is really cold here, I don't like going out when the weather is really cold because I don't have a car, and then it's very stressful to go out and buy stuff. So I don't always like to go to the store to go and shop for my weekly groceries. I just prefer to order, and then I use Instacart. So every month I just pay $11 subscription fee, then I can shop anyhow I want for 1 full month, and I don't have to pay delivery fee. Instacart needs to run me my check because I'm advertising for them. So I just pay $11 for delivery fee, and I can shop from Walmart. There are different stores on Instacart. You can just check Apple Store, Play Store, and download it up here. So let me show you guys my groceries. It's contactless delivery. The delivery guys will drop it on your at your doorstep. So you just put your apartment boss code, and when they come in, they'll drop it off for you. Easy life, no stress. Let me show you guys everything I bought for the week. Let me show you guys. Let me bring it up and show you guys. So the first on my list is this cookies. I don't know why I bought it here, but I just felt like eating cookies because it's been a while. I don't know why it just felt like, but yeah. Then also veggies. See, abroad life is sweet. You don't have to go and be chopping, like they already chopped it up for you, yeah. So you just need to just use it, like put it in your plate, put the cream and eat, you know, very easy, no stress life. Also, another thing I bought is, but this one is not for yeah, I bought this one. It's yogurt and it's 90 calories, so it's like really low in calories for like won't stick. So like when you're bored, I just want to show something. So just eat it, and it's 90 calories. So yeah, healthy. Then I also bought. But see, you are like abroad, yeah. If you want to make smoothie, you don't have to be suffering to be peeling the mango or stuff. Like mango is out of season in Nigeria, so you're not able to get it. But yeah, this is already preserved enough that you need to use. So like you just buy the mango pack and it's fresh. There's no chemical. It's literally fresh mango. See, I've heard that it's sweet. You should come to Canada. It's sweet, so come to Canada. Another thing I bought was oranges. It's literally fresh oranges, no mixture, like literally pressed orange. The name is Our Finest. I shop from Walmart on Instacart, so yeah, if you want to shop, is Our Finest. I don't know the name, there's no name shop, but yeah, that's it. Fresh oranges, no preservative, no chemical. Then I also bought coffee cream, because see, this Canada, you'll be drinking coffee like you need coffee to survive. You'll be drinking coffee like it's drugs. Then that everything is on the floor, so I have to like bend down to kill. On that thing I got is fresh apple juice, because you know everything fresh. We're trying to live healthy. I don't want to buy drinks that have high calories and stuff. Then I also bought pasta. If you know me, you know I really love pasta. So I can eat pasta every day of the week from Monday to Friday, and I'll never get tired. That's how much I love it. Then another thing I bought was soap, literally. Then also like I bought bananas. This banana was like, it's not up to $1. Yeah, it was like 0 point something. It wasn't up to $1. So I say people should shop from Instacart, and it's also the same price at the store. So why bother yourself going to the store when you can just shop online? Be like me. Then I also bought coleslaw. I need to be fast. This is very good. I bought tomatoes, and bell pepper, and also a pack of bottled water. Because here people drink tap water. I don't know. For me, I can't drink that. So yeah, that's all I bought. Everything I bought was like $35, be 32. See how much all the things I bought for $32. Can you see how it's exactly the same price you get it at the stores that you get on Instacart? So why stress yourself when you can just shop online? So yeah, I've told you guys the tips, so you guys shop from Instacart. Everything about like $30-something. So yeah, shop from Instacart, and bye. I have so much assignment to do today, so let me go and continue my assignments.
겨우 집에 왔는데 다시 떠나는 것 같아서